everybody, I am Saraswati Sahu
And I am Swastika Sahu.
of class 8 Day KV2 HEPP Tirchi.
And I am their mother, Dipanita Sahu, and also a science teacher.
We know that plastic is very dangerous. It not only pollutes the air, but also it pollutes the water and soil.
But thing is that we cannot survive without plastics.
So, is there any solution to it?
Yeah, of course, we can make eco bricks by using these plastics.
Eco bricks, it sounds well, but how to make it?
For this, we need some plastic bottles and some plastics.
We are using a lot of plastic bottles now, and we are throwing here and there them, and they are a great source of pollutants. Okay, so today we will learn how to use eco bricks. So to make an eco brick, simply we need these plastic bottles, and we have to be very careful that there will be no water. Means it should be properly dried before using, and you have to collect the plastics which are not recyclable. Okay, so we have already collected some plastics, means these wrappers we have already collected. So and then these plastics you have to be clean and dry before using. And after that you have to put all these plastics inside this bottle. And we know that it is not at all easy to put all these plastics inside this bottle. So for that, first we have to cut these plastics into small pieces. So we have already collected some plastics, and we have already cut them into small pieces. Simply we have to pour these plastics inside this bottle, and it is not at all easy to put these things inside. So for that I am taking the help of this pencil, and I am putting these wrappers inside. And one thing you should remember, that while inserting these plastics into these bottles, no, you just try to put the soft plastic first, then we will go for the hard plastic. Okay, so in this way we have to put plastic, insert plastics, and with this help of some pencils or something else we have to send them inside. Okay, so as you can see that we have already filled these bottles with the help of wrappers, and only one thing you have to keep in your mind, that this bottle should be tight, means totally packed with the help of wrappers. So for that you have to check with the help of some pencils or some drawers. Okay, now as you can see that our eco brick is totally ready. So see, check this one.
Yeah, it looks nice, but what is its use?
Yeah, the thing not only pollute, not only save our earth, our mother earth, but we also clean our environment. Okay, so thank you.